We are
Slow
going.
motion.
No, not slow motion. We did normal motion. We're gonna do tutorial on learning how to sing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Right? Can you say firstly do,
Do,
re,
re,
mi,
mi,
fa,
fa,
sol,
sol,
la,
la,
ti,
ti,
do.
do.
No, without Miss Elza. Can you say do? Go. Do. Wait. No, don't play.
Do.
Don't play. Hold on. I want you just say. If you cannot remember, we will just write it down. It's what you did for me on the whiteboard. We're gonna write it down here. I'm gonna write it down for you. What is it? Do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Okay, we're going to sing the scale do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, learning some solfège, and we invented some magical 3 steps moves. What we do? First we play. Number 1, we play with finger the note. What we do next? We listen. We even touch with another hand our ear. We listen for the sound. We play and we listen. No, the ear first. Listen. After that, we pointing out not really mouth, close to the mouth, but because we need to sing. Sing. Do. Some mosquito here. Don't know if I got it. Okay, let's try one more time. You play and you listen.
Do, fa,
Re.
re, mi,
Mi.
fa.
You forgot to listen. I want your hand. I want your finger reminding your ear to listen. Can we do this? Okay, is your left hand can help us? Okay, so bring closer to the ear. Left hand. Good.
So,
You're skipping the listening. You're just playing. I mean, like you're trying to sing so quickly. Your ear not ready. Let's tune your ears. Okay, so play. So good. See, you got it. Do was perfectly sang. So this is what you need to do. Now let's do just for fun singing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. With Miss Elza play the piano. Okay, stand up over there. Aiden, stand up. Aiden, stand. Can you stand up? Can you stay right here? Yeah. Here's your notes. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. We sing up, and after that we repeat do, and we're going backwards. This direction. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re.
do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Yep. Like that. Okay. Do you want to be in the camera? Or you don't want to be? It's fine, right? Be in the camera. Stay here or sit here. Aiden just 5 years old, and he just started take piano lessons, so we're doing some preparation with him on music knowledge in general, on some solfège, some singing, some learning. We can show you later what he already learned, right? We can show that. Flashcard. Yeah? Okay, let's sing. Can you sit like tightly because I don't want you fall? Can you just sit sturdy, like stay? Stop moving, wiggling. Okay? Focus on your notes. If you want, you can hold the paper. Actually, no. Can you see that? Can you see like that? You can. Okay. Ready? That's our do. Do. Ready? Do. Re. Repeat do. Go down. So. Fa. Mi. Good. Re. Do. Not bad. Did you like it? Let's do one more time. Sit here closer to the phone so we can hear you more better on my recorded video. And I'm gonna play my notes here. You don't play, you just sing right now. Okay? Move to left a bit. Okay. And sing louder. Wait, I'm not ready. Hold on. I did not start yet. Go. Do, re, Good job, good job. Keep going now backwards. Do, ti. Do, re, do. Good. Let's make some another game. We're gonna play and sing random notes. Even black keys, fine. Black keys. Wait for me for a second. Hold on. Let me open the door. Кто там пришел? Who is the next student? Next student. We need you. Okay, Rusia, stay quiet. We're gonna now play random notes and try to sing them, right? So we're gonna sing them just la la la. We don't need to do do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si. Just la la la. Do you want to start with white or black keys, Aiden? White or black?
Keys.
Black or white?
White.
White key. Okay, pick the white key and play. Any. One. Oh, your do is favorite one, isn't it? Okay, good. So remember the magic order. Play, listen, sing. Okay, almost good. Okay, let's find another one. Let's try one of the black keys. Any black keys. Okay, we can sing re for this one. Re, re. Okay, can we try this black key? It's gonna be fa also. Wow, this was perfect. You know why is it happening? Why is it perfect? You don't know? Do you want me to tell you? Because you listened. You tune your ears into the sound before you let your voice sing for you. Okay? Very good, Aiden. In the end, Miss Elza is gonna play for you. Which song? Bye. So this was Aiden, 5 years old. He just started learn piano. Bye everyone who is watching. And I am, what's my name?
Miss Elza.
Miss Elza Ritter. Bye guys.